Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install ceiling fan. I had to install ceiling fan in my bedroom here, and it's quite interesting how to install it. So I decided to share it to my friends here in YouTube. So maybe everyone can have idea how to install it, especially for this kind of bedroom that there's no outlet where to connect the wire. So the guy, he has to make a holes from the wall here, and he has to make the a holes from the bottom, and at the same time after that we have to patch it, and we have to cover back the holes again, so it's gonna go back to the same kind of whatever it was before. Alright, so samahan niyo po ako, panoorin natin kung paano mag-install ng ceiling fan. At huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe at sana mag-like at share sana natin kung sa tingin niyo ay interesting ang video na ito. Salamat po!
Into my eyes and show me adventures I haven't seen, taking all the life it is.
Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Ella's Adventure Story. Right now I have some works in my bedroom, and I would like to show you guys how they do it. They are going to install my ceiling fan, and exciting how they do it. So this is the ceiling fan, and guys, this is my ceiling fan that I'm going to install to my bedroom. See, these are the parts. These are some of the parts, and later on we're gonna see once it's installed. And now I'm going upstairs to show you guys the guys who are working on my ceiling fan.
Yeah, well, the things look like a shotgun.
Should be right there.
Right.
Isn't it like you and Larry? If I saw one of those things that blasted in a heartbeat, it'd be a no-brainer. I wouldn't even be thinking about it.
Oh, yeah.
Those things, like you said, they're so aggressive too.
Oh,
They,
yeah.
you know, once they attack, forget it. Once they're out,
They're not afraid of anything. No, no.
right? ordered a fan for the storage shed. Now that
Okay.
you put the electrical there, 'cause it's so damn hot in there.
Oh, he wants a fan for that?
He ordered a fan for to put it on the wall there,
Okay, and then just
a plug-in fan.
okay, yeah, I said.
'Cause you still remember how hot it was when you and me were in there?
Oh, yeah.
It was ridiculous.
Oh, again, it's a storage.
Still, but he
yeah.
said the only way to ever clean it up, he goes, I'm not gonna sweat 100 degrees. So he got a little fan.
Little hole.
Little?
Yeah.
I might have a little bit bundle.
Probably like less than 2 inches.
That's a big hole.
I can check. I think it's less than 2 inches or
Let
1
me see, I
inch.
think I have a little bit bundle. Maybe something.
I just put tape in it and I painted it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It works?
For now. But if you hit them, it's gonna get whole again. That looks good now. Looks good. Maybe put it back after you work that way. Yeah.
Take it off, okay.
Yeah, just take it up. Since you already remove it. You can just put it here for now.
I knew. I go, it never bothered me. I don't stare at the ceiling and worry about that I got popcorn. Right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good job. That's hard to cut a circle.
Yeah, it's almost over. Can we make it work today?
Hmm?
Can we make it work today?
Oh yeah. You know.
He's connecting.
Awesome.
There you go.
There you go. You got it.
Just a little.
It's almost.
Yep.
I thought it's gonna be smaller, but it's not small. It's perfect size. Right?
Yes. That's,
It's perfect for the bedroom.
yep. Yeah, you bigger. I mean, usually the bigger ones go in like a living room or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Turn it on, huh?
So I'm gonna do.
Good job. And the light is there. It's turned on.
That's slow,
Slow, medium.
medium.
What's the faster one? Higher, right?
Yep. Like that. Feel the air.
I think it works well.
Yep.
I don't know if that's the air I'm feeling here, but the AC is also
I feel
coming
the air,
from this
yeah.
way. Huh?
I feel the air move.
Oh, you feel it?
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
And now it's time to cover the holes.
Oh, you want the holes covered too? Oh, it's not, you know.
Picky, picky, picky.